So we're about to enter some nerve-wracking pass. Apparently this island is called lots of reefs and bommies, if I understood correctly. If anything lower than 5 meters, yellow, okay? Not sharp. Good, good. Keep the direction.
Said that they don't got a future like it burns. So give him something worse to kill his head with, make it forget somehow.
It's such a great view from up here.
Another day she would have wished he stayed, but they're done. Sorry, this won't be enough this time. Yeah, he's calling all his friends to get some action and distract him right now. He's fine, got Lucy on the line, let's get this started. Where's the party tonight? Me down, I can't believe my luck right now. Red eyes while he said, don't you wanna have fun? Fool around with someone. Don't you wanna have fun? Never mind my dumb heart, it needs a little kickstart. 'Cause don't you wanna have fun? Don't you wanna have some fun? Job to pay the rent is busy. Gotta feel free sometimes, right? What doesn't make you will only make you stronger if you believe what they say. Might be that another day she would have wished he stayed, but they're done. Red eyes while he said, don't you wanna have fun?
I guess no fun in here because we had to do a PCR test before taking off to the hotel.
Okay, we're getting ready to go. We got our forward-looking sonar working finally, and we got all the boats on AIS. We got our maps. We got everything working. And the race is on.
This is our last sail together in Maldives Yacht Rally, and luckily we also have wind. Just some of the boats are a little slower, therefore we had to go in circles and just wait for them. Is this a crazy yachties rally?
Yeah, we're just going in circles here.
It was really nice, and we were so happy to have wind to get this beautiful formation and beautiful footage. After a couple of hours, we arrived to the atoll next to the Ritz Carlton hotel, where our final gala dinner will be held. Fancy place, fancy and the boats. We already saw this boat in Guadeloupe, but now it's for sale. I also looked it up how much are these fancy places, and whoops, 45,500 for 4 nights, and the other one sold out for 26,000. It's okay. I better stay on a boat, and I don't even have to pack the suitcases. Next morning, we received our PCR test results and were able to come in to Patina Marina for a final celebration.
So we're just here going to the final party of the rally.
Balancing on a weary line, too scared to trust you and jump down. I'll keep my status quo up here, won't let anybody come near. I'll fix it on my own. 29 years I've been the same, trying so hard to run from shame. But how long can I keep up the pace? To fool myself I don't need grace. Will you be there to catch my fall? Need to be sure you'll hear my call. Darkness surround me and I don't know why it's so hard to let go. Why it's so hard to let go. Why it's so hard to let go.
Boy, oh boy, Aquarius doesn't get this close to the beach. Bye-bye. Bon voyage for you too. Bye-bye. Thank you. Oh, that's crazy. Well, I guess now we're on our own.
And the star of our exit plan. Looking good.
Here we are exiting the atoll, and you can see how quickly it drops down the depth.
See how fast that dropped off?
So Captain, how do you feel? The rally's over.
Well, I'm kind of sad in a way that, you know, we're not going to be around all the yachties. But the actual event was amazing. We learned a lot. Got to know the Maldivian people.
is Hulhumale. It's south of the Ritz Carlton and it's about 24 nautical miles. Hulhumale is a reclaimed island located in the south of North Malé Atoll. The artificial island is being built up by pumping sand from the seafloor in order to meet the existing and future housing, industrial, and commercial development demands of the capital Malé, which is connected by bridge. What a classy greeting from our friend from Zatara. Here is 4 of us. After the rally is over, we all came over to provision here. You can see how fairly new this island is. Full of new construction, parks, and so much construction still going on. During the day, the island is fairly empty and it's quite hot in there, so the streets are not very populated.
Quiet like a dove, you're whispering a symphony unknown, breathing the breeze and trying to grow, lost in the sight of you alone. Here I'll stay till dawn. The breeze in the sky sings me a song. Here I'll stay till dawn. Indiana Rose, I couldn't see you on my way back home.
Later in the afternoon, the streets are getting busier and busier, where in the evening, the full city is full of life.
To see where you thrive, hear your song in the sky, lost in the sight of you alone. Here I'll stay.
I believe in the near future the city will be amazing, especially since there are huge plans to develop a world-class marina for super yachts, one of the biggest one in the regions. But as of today, Hulhumale is basically best for provisioning, at least looking from the yacht's perspective, as there is only one super busy jetty quite far away from the anchorage. It's quite dirty, and all the busy part of the city is on the other side of the island, on the ocean side. And here we got some gas and we will be ready to take off soon to the other islands. By the way, seeing all this laundry hanging at the end of the fuel boat, I realized that some other people actually live in it. So at least what I could do is to give a bottle of a Coke to cheer up their lives, at least for a second, because it's a big treat in these countries.
Cheaper than we paid last time. It was 80 cents per liter for diesel, and I think it was $1.20 per liter, or yeah, just about that, probably $1.20 per liter, $1 a liter for
gasoline.
Gasoline.
Cool.
They were a little bit bummed because we only took 180 liters, but then we sent them over to Zatara. They need like 600 liters, so they were very happy about that.
So is Keith, I believe.
Yeah, Keith doesn't have to do anything. He just has to get filled up, and hopefully we're gonna be both getting out of here and heading over to a nice surf spot tomorrow morning.